To play the piano on Roblox, you'll need to install a software that enables autoplay. Start by opening a browser and navigating to the Autohotkey website. Download the latest version of the software and install it. Once the installation is complete, create a new script by selecting the New Script option. Name the script Autoplay Piano and choose a location to save it. You can then drag the file to your desktop for easy access. To edit the script, right-click on the file and select Edit Script. Choose Notepad as the editor and click OK. You'll then need to input a code into the script. Copy the code from a reliable source and paste it into the Notepad file. Save the changes and close the file. Before opening the piano game on Roblox, run the Autoplay piano script. If it's your first time running the script, you may need to install additional files. So be patient and click Yes to any permission requests. Once the installation is complete, run the script again. The script will open a UI with options for key delay and pattern music. The key delay refers to the bits per minute, which you can adjust to your liking. Open the piano game on Roblox and navigate to a sheet music link. Copy the link and paste it into the game. To play the music, press F4. And to stop it, press F8. Make sure to minimize the Autohotkey UI before playing the music. And ensure that you're in the Roblox window when you press F4 to start playing. With these steps, you should be able to play the piano on Roblox using the Autoplay piano script. Experiment with different sheet music and key delays to create unique melodies.